In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF in Elementor. We'll walk through this together from inside your WordPress dashboard. So go ahead and log into your WordPress admin area. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side and find the option labeled Pages. Hover your mouse over Pages and then click on All Pages. This will show you a list of every page on your site. From this list, locate the specific page where you want to add your GIF. When you hover over that page title, you'll see several options appear underneath it. Click on Edit with Elementor. This will open the Elementor editor for that page where you can visually design and adjust your layout. Inside Elementor, you'll see the widgets panel on the left sidebar. This is where all the building blocks for your page live. Scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top of the panel to find the image widget. Once you see it, click and drag the image widget onto the section or column where you want your GIF to appear. As soon as you drop it into place and select it, the widget settings will show up on the left. In the image widget settings, click on the Choose Image button. A pop-up window will appear, showing your WordPress media library. If you've already uploaded the GIF before, you can simply select it from here by clicking on it. If not, you can upload a new GIF from your computer by going to the Upload tab, or, if supported, insert it from a URL. After you've selected or uploaded your GIF, click the Select button at the bottom right of the pop-up. Now your GIF will appear directly on the page inside the Elementor editor. On the left panel, under the Content tab, you'll be able to adjust a few important options. You can change the image size or resolution to better fit your layout, add a caption if you want to describe the GIF, and even set a link so that when someone clicks the GIF, it takes them to another page or an external site. If you'd like to customize the appearance further, you can switch over to the Style tab to adjust things like alignment, spacing, and other visual details, or use the Advanced tab for more precise control over margins, padding, motion effects, and other advanced options. Once you're happy with how your GIF looks and behaves, go to the top right corner of the Elementor editor and click either Update if the page already exists, or Publish if this is a brand new page. That saves your changes and makes the GIF live on your website.